This is the Lone Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by force closing the YouTube app and reopening it. This clears transient UI locks. Next, restart your device to flush background processes because many scrolling bugs come from stuck services. Once done, confirm your network. Switch between Wi-Fi and cellular to see if the issue is connection-related. Make sure airplane mode is off and watch for captive portals on public Wi-Fi that block streams. These quick steps often restore normal scroll behavior within 1 or 2 minutes. You now clear the YouTube cache and, if needed, storage so corrupt temporary files stop blocking the UI. Go to Settings, Apps, Storage, then relaunch. Once done, update the app through the Play Store or App Store because older builds can break scrolling. Make sure battery saver and data saver modes are disabled since they throttle background threads and animations. If the problem persists, sign out and back in to refresh account data. These steps address app side causes and often fix stuck shorts playback. Finally, uninstall and reinstall YouTube to remove damaged binaries. This is decisive when cache clearing fails. Alternatively, open YouTube in a browser to confirm whether the issue is app-specific. If web works, the app is the culprit. Make sure your OS is up to date, and, if necessary, reset network settings to clear stubborn DNS or proxy issues. If nothing changes, test on another device or account to isolate the problem. This troubleshooting tip
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.